Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Kevin. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots of new weekly videos coming just for you. In this video, I want to show you guys how to install a pull-out drawer in your cabinets. First thing you want to do is find out the depth of your cabinet. So mine is about 22. And then the next step is you want to buy your drawer track, a sliding drawer track. So it looks like this. There's different kinds. There's soft close, and there's this kind. It's the cheapest one you can get. You can get this from Home Depot. A lot of hardware stores have them. So the track I got is 18 inches. I should have got a longer one. I probably have to replace this one because the drawer doesn't slide out as far as I want it to. That was a mistake. Now the next thing is you want to watch for obstruction of your drawer. So this door hinge is going to be in the way. When it slides out, it's going to hit this. So you want to build a spacer away so your box avoids hitting this. So it's going to be about, for mine, it's a 1/2 inch spacer. Then it's just a piece of wood, and then I install my track. When I install my track, I put a 1/4 inch spacer off the floor. Off the base. So it's even. I do that on both sides. Now ready for the next part. Now you want to build the width of your box and the length. Your width should be the distance from this wall to the edge of this hinge, but not all the way. So just minus like 1/8 off, or 1/4 inch at most. And that's your width of your box. And then your length is however long you want it to be. This is your box. You create it however you like it. So once you have your box made, install the other part of the track on each corner of the bottom of the box, and that's pretty much it. You're ready to slide it in. I have mine flush to the end, but you could move it back further if you want, but then your box won't slide out as much out. I did this because my track is a little short, but I'll probably end up replacing it like I said earlier. So once you have this put on, now we can put it back in a track to see if it works or not. The depth of the walls of your box, you can create it as how low and high as you want it to be. Slide it in like so. Done. Voila. I'm gonna probably paint this later on. This is just a test fit. There, very easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below. Come on, do it. And join my team and support me. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Help me out, guys. Thank you, and peace out.